Okay, Science 24s, we are on to the second unit already, and we are looking at the performance project for this unit. The performance project on this unit is going to use a simulation that you have already used. So here we have our Energy Skate Park. And in this section, we are going to use the playground. So we are going to click onto the playground here and enter in. Now what you're going to do is you're going to start creating your track, and you can create any sort of track that you would like. So you're going to create any sort of track you like. You're going to add in as many different pieces as you want, and you are going to need to explain the different energies that are going on throughout. You're going to add your energy graph here. You can take out any of these other tools that you like, and you're going to put your person onto your track and see if it works. Are they able to get around? Are they not? You're going to be on Earth. If you really want to change it to a different planet, by all means. But what you're going to need to do is once you have created this track, you're going to need to take a screenshot or take a picture of the track that you've built. Then you're going to need to come down here and you're going to need to answer these questions. Where's kinetic energy happening? How do you know? Remember, what is kinetic energy? What has to be happening to have kinetic energy going on? Where is the potential energy? How does your track follow the conservation of kinetic energy? That graph could be really important for this. So if you are able to take a video of your person going through that track, or in the case above, your dog going through the track would be awesome. You can have as much fun with this as you want. If your person falls off the track, why did they fall off the track? If they stay on the track, why did they stay on the track? Where is the energy in there that matters? So what buttons did you push? How did that affect your rider? You need to explain these things verbally. So I need to be able to hear your answer so I know that you know how to do it. You are going to go through, make your track, answer the questions, show me the energy changes that are occurring, and that is going to be your project for this unit.